Welcome, my nice, wonderful, and beautiful subscribers. I am back to normal. I am back to regular programming. Although I was back to regular programming from today, but I have done the video today, with the whole Gully Bop saga. But these people want to seems as if, you have a few naysayers out there who are run with it and think that, okay, if the lady at 99 did help him, probably he could have lived. And this little false prophet, I've done a video today, a combined video both with Marcia and the saga there. But me no know. People, it come like you have a time when YouTube decides that they're going to slow me down. Honestly, you have a time when YouTube decided to say they're going to slow me down. And when I say this, I mean like, you have a time when we do all 3 video back to back. And I amber me see, me can't get no green light. You understand? And when your video come on a restriction, it's not good for your platform. Yes, you can post it, with ad suitable, the ads, the suitability of ads is, less chance of you getting a certain amount of ads on your channel for the video. And remember now, the ads is what really gives us a revenue away from the subscription that the video gets. So you're putting in the work, you expect to get a cent. If I even know dollars you get, you expect to get cents. Alright? Because YouTube take time. Honestly, it take time. Me always hear YouTubers talk about it, but now me know it take time. And this is why I mean I have the time for in a YouTube or social media on a certain level. Because me have to be busy elsewhere. As me tell you every day. Me prefer know say me go out there so or lift up that door there and me get paid for lift it up. Cause from me lift up the door and me negotiate with you, me have to get paid. Me prefer know say me go out there so me wash the car there. And me know say me wash the car and me I get paid. Cause me negotiate with you so from me work me I get paid. YouTube, you have to sit down and wait on people. And after wait on your supporters to come and view and watch your ads and stuff like that, you still have to wait on YouTube to pay you. You understand? So me not like that something. Me like go to go work for me. Money and immediately me collect. So as me say, it come like them have a pick for me. Why they them do me the same thing, Me just do my video them and thing and sometimes yes, some things that you might overlook them look upon it as certain thing, and then when it go through the computer system, sometimes the computer make a wrong mistake and then when they review it, you get it. But sometimes them take too long. Them time the worst. If you post all the video already, it get the whole of the views already. And that whole of the ads they will get a run on your video for your supporters them and watch it. You can't get it back again. So you lose the revenue there. So it never make no sense to me to clear the video. You understand? Them supposed to have a little time span of them clear the video and them have a next thing we don't like. Sometimes them clear the video and you say, okay, the video is good, no restriction. And you go so boom and you release the video. And like probably hours after the next day you go back on your video to see how your video do when you look. You say restriction. You say what is? You understand what I say? So them me feel like YouTube don't need to do something about that. Quick response where the review is concerned. And make sure say do. Trust me. Because we as a YouTuber, as a creators are suffer. But anyway, my people, as I said, there's a 3 video now out there with Amber on it because I mistakenly do the live on this video, on this channel, which is supposed to do on the other channel, restriction upon it. I post a video this morning, which as I said, that video, I know it did have restriction because of certain things that I might say in it. Now this one I upload for post a morning of restriction. So not this one present when I talk on it now. This one now, I know this is how clean because I come clean. So at this I have to go post instead. Because I wake up morning and the pasta one they now clear, I not release it. I wait till it clear. Alright? I release that one. I'm sure that one go good. If that one is not good, that simply means them a slow me down. So when you don't know people, when you do the do, continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. Remember to watch the ads. Please continue to support the backup channel. I need like 450 something or 40 something more watch hours time to qualify for that channel to monetize. I might drop a video tomorrow, or I was depending on the live to give me that extra views, the watch hours there, but as me say, unfortunately done on this channel. Continue to support the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel also in my comment section. The Cash App also pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Anyway, people. Oh, make a spin my road. Make a spin my road. Hold on there. So I should have broke off the crosses. But to when I can't break off the crosses. Yeah, I should just broke off the crosses. But yeah, I'm not going to break off the crosses. Guess what I'm going to do, people? Say I never want to drink no rum, I just go drink the rum, and just blow it in the air, and just blow off the crosses. People, the victim come out at your shade. And when I say the victim, the fake victim, the woman who always play a victim, despite me not business with she and her combo of them. But she come out at your shades, and we know the shades of she a show. Definitely I go over our next door friend them. One so-called friends. But in between the shades, it's also a show elsewhere. And I sit down and I look at it and I say, watch her, listen. Listen her play a victim. You don't just listen her and I play a victim, my people. And I sit down and I listen and I just laugh. And you know what sweet me? At least me know, despite the shade goes elsewhere, but me know it a delivered deliberately to our friend them when they cross the road. Where she just up skip like Pink Panther. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. You know what Pink Panther? Yeah. And go over next door. Cause guess what? She want team up. Alright? So she come out and she show her shades. And not only showing shades now. Girl ready eye for people money. What me say? Girl ready eye for people money. Girl a threaten. When cake season done? Me can't wait for the cake season you done. So when cake season done, me and who no blagger. Me and who no, you don't know why. You don't know why. One couple win one lawsuit against a blogger. And she read it and she talk about it. She'll post it on her page. And me I say, this girl, she normal. So when she post this on her page, I like this. She should have sit down and think. And I said, Jesus, please, how much of them are going to come for me now? She not think about coming for people. So no evidence not out there of she mailing with even the same people them where she want go for. Plus people will not mail her. I go come for her. She not think that, but she post it and highlight it like she try to send a message. Oh, me dying for the cake season done. Anytime it done, all I want bloggers, I go hear her, me I go make you hear her. Me no like talk, Because when me talk, you might feel like a lie. This girl just because she see the people them win them like a blogger have fear war a courthouse. She come out at her about she go sue blogger, threatening to sue blogger. Listen to me, she start. Listen to me, people. Hear it from the ass mouth.
Them two influencers, Zanzi and her husband win the lawsuit against the blogger them. The blogger write all sort of stuff about them. You know that couple, that nice looking couple there on Instagram. Some blogger was writing up all sort of stuff about her, about she and her husband. On the internet, I should just bring them go a court my backside. Lord of mercy, I can't wait for baking season done. and them win the lawsuit. I can't wait for baking season done. Lord have mercy. Me say, mighty God, I just lay down here nice and comfortable. I can't wait for baking this peak season done and over with. Mighty goodness.
Peak season? What kind of peak? You don't have no season where peak. All of your peak them pop off long time. All of your peak them disappear long time. You know no peak season. Just continue to smuggle and pack your little empty box them pan trolley. And sell your little 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 cake. About peak season. You have any peak season? People money ready. As I see the people them with them court case. You want to come sue blogger. You might sue 2 blogger and get 2 million. And 20 sue you and you have to go find 40 million. You go on.
Hey, Erica Jacobs, what? But say me cannot wait. You say all I know vloggers wanna call themselves on YouTube. Watch me I know. All I know me I come after.
Threat.
All I know. Whether on YouTube and Facebook and all them. All I know me I come after. Hey. And 100 take away.
All of my little colleagues them. We are going to build one little pan. From now in the car, we have to put on one little lawyer money. I don't want to call my little colleagues them name, but we have to build one little pan. Because we are going to just get one lawyer for the whole away. You know, for defend the whole away. And we get a little pan and we just save a little money and prepare for after the baking season. Because the baking season not going to nice to you know. No, it not going to nice to you. Because baker girl are checking for so way. And you know, when baker girl want money, you know, she will do anything for money. You check 10, 15 years ago, all those things she have done for money. Dance all mattress, carrying that substance to the BV high, and so many other more that we don't even know of some of them. So, let's prepare ourselves to retain a lawyer. Alright, so all of my friends, we are going to get a big pan and we are going to put on some money and prepare for the lawsuit. Oh no, hope she ready for the counter suit.
I am coming and I'm coming with a vengeance. Hey! Okay. This one me nice and quiet the whole year. Nice and quiet.
What you mean? Big money out to run because you know make it in the cake business. So look feet a coat out, yes?
Watch me and them, man. The whole of them. Bloggers, Facebook, YouTube, everybody I get it. Everybody I get licked down with big stone. Watch me and them.
The hot beer you want?
Let me see, Sandra. I say, wow.
Wow, you can make a lot also. Come on. We're waiting for you. Come on.
You have to make an example out of somebody.
Listen to the shades them are going to start throwing now. And the shades them, as me say, direct to our next door neighbors where she used to go over the fence to sit down and chat with. Yes, and team up. You understand? One at a time in the video she depend. I am just the one person, you know. So me I said that girl am mad. She said she's just the one person everybody just want to where the cake world is concerned. So she flip a script, you know. Because I think 99 was that one person where the whole of them are try to tear down. So she flip a script. So only just listen to that girl like ish, you know. Upstairs.
Hey, what do you think, sir? You don't think, sir? I cost me can't cost? You wouldn't know better than that. No, you don't know, say me a girl with sense. I'm a head for my body, though. Remember, now, let me tell you something. Hey, let me tell you something, people. You see certain experiences in your life, it teach you things, you know. Yeah? And if you not learn as you get older, what's the point of you getting older? Like, you know, that's like, once you get older, you gain what you call wisdom, right? You need wisdom, no? Right? Wisdom is something you get as most of us supposed to get that when we get older, but not everybody have that luxury there to learn wisdom or whatever.
So, baker girl, how will you learn? No, sir. Your head tough then. Because if you I will come say this now to the public, and the public is obviously seeing and hearing, and see say you now learn. After all that ordeal you have been through for the past 4 years, where you are say you in this business, you play victim when you are the aggressor. And for the 4 years you still not learn, you continue to do the same thing. You continue to build new enemies. You understand? You continue to put up new people against you, if not day by day, week by week, month by month, or season by season. Look who you put against you. Somebody who you were sitting with a few weeks, months ago, teaming with to bring down people. You understand? Because you are so desperate in searching for strength and backative, because you realize that she alone can't do it. She alone can't do it. Him alone can't do it. So you were just going around trying to incorporate on yourself in one, to see if you could be a force to reckon with. And it still never gonna work. And still not work. Till you find out say now hatred is between a few of you from back then. So despite trying to team up, you team up just because you just want the strength if you bring down somebody. Somebody. So in the long run, when it not work out, you turn pound one another. You turn pound one another. You not step in a hand's belly for you see where you it. A step in a roach belly for you see in it. You understand? Everybody attack, everybody secret. Everybody attack with them sit down and chat and with them sit down and do. Every confession coming out. You understand? And this is why them say God not like ugly. Yeah. God always have a way to reveal.
You know, the part of the reasons why them get bigger and stupid is because them dance. Yeah? So, you know, and it is what it is. Yeah, man. Wait, man. Let me think I cost me can't cost. Okay. I bet it's 2024 different. 2024
big plans, yes.
Like a lamb. But tell you, so 2024 are different. Got different things. Is alien what?
2024 got different, yes, because if you get big business proposal and big counseling and where your business is concerned and going to Canada, most different, but that are probably in your mind. I hate when you talk about duns. Somebody even come up in your comment and say, boy, it's not nice to talk about duns because she said she did duns and she still never met that stop her in her life and she have achieved a lot. And she should pretty it up and nice it up, go at her, and then one of your regular supporters of your channel, when me say always a type in your channel, must say Dana Fry, was agreeing with the person who comment. You understand? And you turn it and twist it and, well, I'm not really this and not really that, as usual. Because the person comment and fix the comment so intelligently that you couldn't even say, boy, come on from a page or something where you don't want to say. Where you did want to say. You couldn't even say it because the person just fixed the comment so intelligently. That your big supporter come see this a person where your page day in day out, Dana Fry said she love this comment. Yes. Because every day you get up and tell people say them done. And the girl says not everybody get the opportunity to achieve education. You understand? And she says she never achieved any, but at the same time she still never make that stop her. And she have gained a lot in life. You understand? She could have wealthier than you. You understand? She could have even have a better business head than you. T-girl love come up and tell people about them duns. But see this girl typing in the comment how far and nice and well she set in life over you with your ton load of education. Where you have no form of certificate to show that, okay, you were educated by the University of Pennsylvania. You were educated by the University of Hartford. You were nothing you have to show. Probably you didn't have a secondary educational certificate to show. You just come with the word of mouth because you figure more or less what you said people grudge you for is because you can articulate and you speak well. Which part of you speak well? Eh? Which part of you speak well? I see people left Jamaica and go to foreign United States and within 2 weeks them attack because trying to get around people who speak. Automatically you go catch on and you go speak too. Me can't speak. I me never travel yet. So I don't know what you talk about. But I just stick to what I know. I not try to be nobody else. I be myself.
I rest my eyes, people. Don't come criticize me and say, why is she in a bed on a Friday? No, but Marcia, I tell me say my cakes taste good. Why, Marcia, I appreciate it. God know. Sometimes, you know, I sit down and I think to myself and then I say, no man. You know, I hear Marcia advertise my cake and I say, Marcia, you still have cake?
This is a part of our share show. Because why they show the people them say there's a lot of people them send over they go buy cake and introduce when she say that are the lizard now, Larry the lizard I say she send enough people to her to go buy cake now for her friends and supporters because she tell them say it's just a little domestic oven she a bake from and she can't manage the magnitude of sales that is coming in so them to go there so go buy and whatever. And there's a lot of people who come back and complain to her the cake not tastes good and the cake this and the cake that and who have to pay back money enemy side have to, somebody from enemy side have to pay back money for things not one bag of mix up about cake. So where here she say now a Lorraine she a throw shade pan but Marcia still a eat cake. Marcia must still a eat cake. Because if this cake it tastes good it would have eat off already. And it would have distribute off already. And all who buy one slice of $5 when Marcia they sell it at $10 would have come back and buy till it done. Marcia and have done to sell. So if Marcia still have cake from July, that simply mean this a cake cannot taste good. It not taste good. Because as bad as thing be as though she broke and probably pauperizing right here now and all that little charity and free money where she used to get and sitting. Should I give her the cake? Because she know she alone not gonna end up eat it off. So why did she say she stop eat crab leg? Because after winter and summer stop care for her. You understand? She not eat no crab leg no more. She say her cholesterol high. So she have to ease off it. That's why she not eat it. And after 2 months, all no mass your cholesterol not gone down. So she gonna eat her favorite shell food, crabs and lobsters. Because after winter and summer done with it. You understand? But you sit down and go eat off 1 3-tier cake. Because God bless you if you give it half tier. Half of one of the. You understand? You go sit down and eat that so you don't have diabetes. Sugar not trouble you. Are you not afraid of diabetes? But your cholesterol you talk about. I eat your use and make excuse. Because after winter and summer, stop care for your lobster and stop care for your crab. Yeah. That's for you, Marcia. So, when Tina come out now, I boast about Marcia still eating cake, showing shades from the lizard. I told the cake no good make Marcia still have cake. Because if it tastes good, that done long time. Nothing way taste good no last so long. Because every minute, all when you want to save piece till XYZ time come, or XZZ time come, if you give somebody that piece, you're going to end up eating it off. When it tastes good. Only can testify for that. Anything that tastes good now last long, it done quick. No care big enough it is.
I never know say you still have cake, Marcia. What you do with cake still?
Shades.
Marcia still have me cake and they have me cake.
And you see how funny it is, people. She and Marcia are 2 persons who run over there with the lizard them. I try strengthen up. Me hear Marcia come out on one live and like she a try to be peacemaker. But they even look on the live, it's about me a dissect it. But me hear she come out like she want to be peacemaker. And she say her 2 cents and she say Tina cake tastes good and whatever, way. And the foolishness, we must bother with the foolishness and peace and tyrant war, way. You know, should he even come out now like he a try to push out Marcia and set up Marcia against the lizard. Cause Marcia I try to play a neutral role as when me sit in a the little piece of video when me watch. You understand? She try to show you so she not pick no side. She stay in the middle and she say it no call for Ray, your Tina cake tastes good, and she try to big up the lizard over there. So you come now to show you how you stay, and then you play a victim like you're smart, because you feel like you're educated, as you say, to them done, because you say it in the video you saw. You know a show about Marcia now. For the people them go at Marcia. For the statement that she make, you highlight it. Like you're smart. Just to give yourself props, you show about the woman, don't it? But two Marcia them are idiot. When them for cuss about them now cuss about. Or when them for come out come talk about them now talk. Because all this, would have to come out and say, Tina, don't do that. Don't do it. Because definitely you push out Tina now for the lizard and her friend them and the speaker. Get at her.
Why? Marcia, you still have cake from... I went Marcia party keep. Marcia party keep in a July. And Marcia still have cake. Still sit down there and yam cake for her life. Should I easy? Why? Man, not lie, Marcia. Big up yourself. Okay, big up yourself, Marcia.
You're too smart.
Because people store them cake, I tell you now. People store their cakes, my cakes in the freezer. I don't know. Honestly, guys, I don't know what this whole drama is about cakes. Rum cakes has been baking since the end of time. You understand? Since the beginning of time, rum cake are bake. And these people are come on social media and make it a thing, like it's something to fight somebody about. I don't understand that part.
So how you make it look as if you know all of this? So your rum cake I make from my granny. I make blue jars. And further beyond. You understand? Well, you know, see people hard there. A few places you might go and see that I make now. Who know the blue jars where they mix up the sitting like pudding and put it in the banana leaf and wrap it? Yeah. And rum cake I make from them the days they are further down. But you make it look like you is the founder for rum cake. And so you go on, you know? You make it look like you are the founder for rum cake. And then now you make it look like you're putting, after centuries and decades of you discovering rum cake and be the founder for rum cake. You know, you're making a twist to it because everybody started to make rum cake now. So you will put an extra twist to it as the founder. You start put all kind of mixture in it to run and hot people belly. You understand? And that's why it come like the people them say your cake sour after a few days, because too much different mixture where you try to put in there. You understand? And you never try and mix this together and mix that together and put it down for a few days and see how well it done. You know? How well it, you put some like in the fridge then, and you put some in a room temperature area, and you have it there, you watch it for a 3 or a 4 day, and you say, alright, make us see how well this can keep. Within a 3 or 4 day, I have some in the fridge and I have some room temperature. So make us see which one of them can last. You just mix up all kind of different raspberries, strawberries, large, and all kind of berry. And you mix it up and you put it in your migla, the cake. When you go buy a Walmart and you go on and you go on with your things. Like, okay, you're a great inventor, you're a great creator of flavoring. Where is your chemist? You did ask Dana one. Where is your one? And that's why the cake them are sour upon the people them. Because people them say when them buy a cake within a couple of days, then sour. You understand? Some say them turn stone within the cupcake, them turn stone in 2 days. Me I wonder if a cement factory you go buy flour. Because most cement factory you go buy flour. I want to wholesale near cement factory.
A cake. What's that for? What's all of that for? That's nonsense.
No, you do it, man, every year.
That is nonsense.
You have a year play a victim like a people are do it when a she.
So yeah, man, a nonsense that, man. Because if rum cake is a traditional thing, so I don't get why.
You are the inventor.
Why people are fight over? I don't understand it.
You invent
it.
it.
I cannot get enough of the cake, Tina. It's too good. Me dear, me so she sit over there and name rum cake now, sir. It's not easy at all.
You are the inventor of rum cake. But we all see it and know people. What she do, she feel like she educated. That's what she tell herself. What she do, she try to come out here, use her intelligence, what she feel like she have, and she will come and she will tell her, say, oh, the back yellow, you know. And my sister it's yellow. You know why she come tell her this? Yes, the back is here on us, she said yellow. But through somebody around there, so they say the back blue. So when she come out and start talking about the back, all of a sudden say it's yellow, you know say she a cause a fuss. She a try to stir up something. But the naked people them with them naked eyes we are see the buckle. When me say the naked people, naked eyes, we are see the buckle. She said really yellow. So them don't know where she a come with. You have to know this girl from, for a while. If you know say she a come from somewhere with this. And it's only for you wait a little bit. If you know where she a come from with it. Just because somebody around there so they make a mistake say blue. She come and highlight it, say it yellow. Because with every time she come with it, you wonder, oh, this fit in the space. Oh, this should just fit in the space. So she talk about the back of yellow. And nobody she talk about. But as me say, she try to use her intelligence to stir up certain things. And then when she stir it up now, she turn on and play a victim because of how she start the whole process of throwing her shades and getting at people. She had a shade master, and she always talk about people that throw shades. And she a shade master. And the funniest thing about this, she come out and throw shades, and up to now, in the whole video, she don't call nobody name. But if the woman over Mountain View, she call her government name long time. She call her 100 plus 1, minus 1. You understand? 98 plus 1. As she do earlier on in the video. You understand? She call her government name, she call all of the nickname them. But up to now, she no call them set of people your name, not one of them. Oh. So 99 years strength for.
Oh, I never do the cross posting, no? Sorry about that, guys. I didn't do the cross posting. Why I change, I have to give God thanks. I change. Certain things that bother me no more. I just change. I just make everything else fall in the hands of the law. That's nature.
You sound like the people them Monday we about Jesus.
All of them are fight one
Jesus.
person. That makes sense. Frederica, everybody a fight down one somebody. So it's obvious that me are the better baker. Because if everybody a fight down me, and them always make it about cake. Yes, Veronica. Yeah. Them always make it about cake. I'm like, what?
When you wish you say a while ago? All of them a fight down one person. And them always make it about cake. You see me tell you no? This girl always want to flip the script. Always want to flip the script. But obviously you're the better baker. Obviously you're the better baker and not making any money from your profession. Obviously you're the better baker. You just finish a sale and you plan to start another one. In a festive season like this. I be a weeble flower you buy. I be a sugar with dirty and want see for B grade and Z grade material you buy. Me see you use one butter, me see you promote. When me Google the butter, I must say $4 something feet America. And there is more quality expensive butter there. You understand? Me Google the butter people $4 something feet. You understand? So it come like she use the lowest grade of things them for bake her product. And then what she do now, she come now and she twist and mix and twist all kind of little flavor together. You understand? To kind of use that now to bring up the taste and the quality of the cake. So when you go and bite the cake and you bite in a little raspberry flavor and mix up with probably a little cherry or something else, you feel like the cake tastes good. But make sure you don't put those little mix up something in there liable for running a belly. in between the cake them and just go so boom and go to the cake where she claim to say she bake. It's a different taste on you get. But guess what now? It just come like you buy a bread, you know. You buy a loaf of bread and you go so boom. And you eat the loaf of bread, 2 slices of the bread separately without nothing at all. Just eat them. You get a different taste, you know. And probably the taste where you get, you say, boy, I don't like bread, you know. I don't like that bread, yeah. But make you go rub little anchor butter in it. Make you go put little cheese spread in it and lock it up and go so. It's a totally different taste. You always go want the 2 slices of bread. Where earlier on you taste the 2 slices of bread without any anchor butter, without any cheese spread, and you don't like bread. And you don't want bread because the bread itself naturally not eat good, it not taste good. But the anchor butter where you go had and lock that together and go so and bite. You bite off all your finger them. The cheese spread where you had in it and you go and you bite all your finger them you bite off. Because what? The cheese spread where you go put in the get a different taste. The anchor butter get a different taste. So the cake itself not taste good. It's just a whole lot of different sweet fruit type mixture where she put. Where most of them are artificial and they have a natural flavoring. Because if a natural flavoring when you're done, sometimes I wonder if you are working in one paint factory. Yes. Girl, sometimes I wonder when you're done and say you mix and do all kind of something and you come on your car or you come for your life, at least upon your life you have to come for we see you. Me have to wonder if I don't a Berger paint or Sherrill Williams or BH paint factory at work. Because when me look on your finger them, Jesus, peace, what kind of coloring you use? Eh? That your finger them can stain a color so. And then for somebody like you, we're going like when it come on to sanitization and, you know, being sanitary, you know how to do because you complain what they about if you see people holding things without gloves. And that's why you watch people because sometimes them even have on the gloves and them wipe them nose and them come back and them touch this before them change the gloves. So you not have on the gloves when you are doing it. Because if you have on gloves, your fingernail and finger, they're not supposed to stay like you just come from the nail shop. You never recognize that? Oh, the woman look like a one paint shop she work. And a bakery, she says she a bake. So I want to know what kind of coloring you use so. A pale coloring you use in your like artificial flavour them, you know. And that the people then bite into. And get that little quick taste there. And feel like say your cake them taste good. Or that are the trick for your cake them. Your cake them not no quality. Because your cake them could have never have quality for the type of goods where you buy. The ingredients and the cheap, low grade ingredients them where you buy. And then you want to beat down and fight down people. Now we are spend them good thousands and millions of dollars. Stock them shelf like a shop or a warehouse or a wholesale. With quality goods where the people them will buy the cake them will say them name damn bad. When they look, them can't see all them ingredients we are going on them cake. Them both see it on shelf. As a matter of fact, them see it when they buy. Them see it when they pack in the vehicle. Them see when they come out and go in the storeroom. Them see it on shelf. And when they mix the butter, we see the butter. And we see the art in the butter. When Dana goes and rock so. And come so. And rock so. And so now look. You know, me just have the style of oh, me mix my butter, you know. Me just have a little style of me go so. And when me come so, me go back so. And me come so. And when me look, me always see a art in it. So you know, so I love in my butter. I love in my things them. And that's why them I sell so damn bad cake to the world. Not the pop-up cake shop. Damn bad cake to the world. Not pop-up cake shop. Well, then you come go on like you want question the woman price or things them. Plus shipping in the woman most of the time shipping in the woman things them. You question. If somebody want to spend $150, $200 to buy one little £1 cake that not supposed to have nothing to do with you know. This is what you always do I worry about the people them who are spending money. And the people them is repeat spender, repeat donors. You know see so you can't stop it. Why you not stop that now? Stop worry about the people them money. The people them not worrying. They continue to support. Much time a man keep fish fry. And when him keep him fish fry, you see him put up on locally. I'm talk about locally. You see a man put up 2,500 for one time ticket. And when you go, you know your plate, you get a fish we half pound. Majority of the time, a deep water fish, box fish, them go buy. The little deep water snapper them and grunt. And if you buy a pound of regular snapper, you understand? Regular local snappers, you pay like $1,200 a pound. And you can take another $300 and buy little things, need up little flour and whatsoever and make 2 festival. You can go buy a 1 bomb for $200 and fry that yourself. And when you're done, you have change, you can buy all juice. But guess what? It's not about that. It's about the support we you give to the person. You understand? It's better than if him come out, come beg you $50. Him keep something, when him give you back something for whatever you are giving. So, when you check it and I say, boy, I could have got a shop, but then again, you have to check time, you have to check your gas, you have to check soap, or you have to use and wash up back your plate. And clean up back your kitchen. You understand? So, sometimes it's just about the support. You just give the person a support. All when you say yes, it probably not value this, you have to give them the support because them need the support. Some need the support, and some, what you say, I want to use the terms. Some, alright, put it this way, some do enough for you to give them the support. It's just like how you have a community person who would go around and give community service for free. If the health center call them for do something, them gone. A local golden age call them, up the school call them for do something, them gone. So when all people like them, they go some woman and say, okay, them might do something. People come support them. So if them a look off a jerk pork and the person, them not, some people not eat jerk pork, them a go buy the jerk pork and can't give somebody because them just a support because of what the person have done. You understand? Them just figure more or less, okay, I have to contribute back towards what the person you do because the person you put them labor out there free of cost. And this is what Auntie do. Put our labor out there free of cost in helping people. People offer things on a daily basis and she refuse it. She say, anything you don't want to give me, put it in my business. So at the end of the day, you can't give me nothing. So you support my business. And that's exactly what happened. And you have a problem with people that buy cake for this money and that the money. You have a problem with who donate their money and where the money I go. And the donor them prove to you every day say it makes no sense to complain because we're going to still donate. The people them prove to you say every year they still going to buy cake. Damn bad cake to the world.
Oh, some me never, sometimes I sit down there and you're like, what the hell? And you never know say all of that are go on and stuff like that. You don't know say people feel them weird about you. Don't you people? You don't think them things there? Cake? Like seriously? No, sir. Boy, oh boy, Father God, deliver me. What am I at the end? No, sir. Look how long people are bake rum cake. Look how long rum cake are bake.
You should have know that long time. But you never know.
Rum cake are bake from me I look, I'm 47 years old.
I look like 67. Look for me at 50 to you.
From my barn, I never see this yet to box, to post joke.
Yeah, people, you hear a cake? People are for cake? The people them where you talk to, call them name now. If probably 99 come out and show shade of you, probably if Chris come out and show shade of you, you'd have come out come call them name all by them government name. So what's so about the lizard why you afraid to call the lizard name? And she come out for you know? And she show your shade for why you can't call her name or you call other people name? I saw she mighty. I saw the lizard mighty. Are you afraid of lizard? Because I don't found a woman afraid of lizard, you know. So it look like you're afraid of lizard. You never know say a cake when you're on the man case of England. You never know say a same cake when you're on the woman case of 99. So know that one of your friend turn enemy or you turn enemy because you always a turn enemy against your friend them where you say are your friend them or associate or acquaintance. You and them not live long. You and them not see eye to eye for too long. You understand? Come out now as the unknown baker from last year. And because of the popularity of the tasting of cake that the queen was has done last year. She decided to come public and it at up your head. Because you figure more or less say, okay, you shouldn't come and be a cake that I gonna make one less now because me did want of your supporters them a buy from me, you know. You want all of the pie. Eh? Look how big the pie is and you want all of it because honestly, that's your problem, you know. You just figure more or less now, so through the lizard come out now and I go bake on a certain level than we probably she never do last year. You just figure more or less so your sales are go cut. Because as what she said a few people over your place come by and that few people can be 20, 30 somebody and that's a big sale for you. So you judge you normally sell 50 cake for the whole season. When one box a come out, where the shipping place I don't use name, I forgot how it name. Or one little box I go a Shelly ever clean. You understand? Or one little box I go a Nanalin with 50 cake and 100 cake in a 1 week or 1 day. And that's how you are sell for the whole season. So you just imagine you lose 30 person where the lizard would have send come by. All of the shining day the way you plan for next year come like it get cramped. The big season where you plan for next year look like it get cramped. And that's why you come out and throw shades now. And that's why I'm not at it because you find out so she cramp you. She slow down part of where you did look pan to say okay you're gonna make an extra money there so. So it go God not sleep, bro. God not sleep, you know. God watch everything what we do and he knows everything. He know intention before we even carry out what.
Yeah. And the proof is in the pudding. You know, it's not like the proof is in the pudding. My customer them like my products. Marcia sit on her live and they make them. Marcia still over there.
So when the sister from day one of me attend her she show, you see it. She used that to start the argument, get into the argument, and then no see it. She show from she start talking about Marcia and I should she about Marcia against the people then.
And the cake our party was July. So basically what are they fighting against? I don't understand. You cannot fight against a product that's good. I not get it.
Marcia alone and your half your cake.
I get it.
The cake where you give Marcia she alone and your half that.
People, it did all that fight then I forgo on
Marcia could have to take piece of the cake to carry the storeroom. Which part she pack up all of the garbage then. You understand? She might have it because she alone now can eat off that.
Mine and the fight now for going on, but here what my people. Some of them come a foreign too late.
Now 10 years and add now the lizard there. So I know the lizard she attack. She a throw her word upon somebody else.
I don't know what happened to them people there, Erica. I really don't know. You asked the wrong person, darling. I not even remember about them people there, honestly. Them people are still about? Them still a keep? I don't know about them people there in America. As a God.
Man in England, them ask about and you hear her?
I don't know. Them probably, I don't know, baby love. I don't really think about them people there right now. Like if them not, I'm not really. Yes. Erica, you don't see me a glow. You don't see me a glow. I don't think.
I wish part of you a glow. Erica, you know say she blow. Erica, you know say she blow. She coming like a headlamp will blow, but she a glow. Her blow, you blow, but you a glow.
These people would have done none of what they did.
Yeah, ball.
All of them.
Yeah, ball.
I had no knowledge of their intentions. I had no knowledge of their ill intentions. I had no knowledge, none of the people them at all.
So she apologized to her people them to lead them over the lizard.
Years,
she shocked at the lizard and her cronies' behavior.
And become something different than what they showed me. I am sorry, you know. And for that, I'm sorry that you guys had to be exposed to all of that toxicity over the years from me just positively mentioning these people's names on my life over the years. You understand me? And we could call and
if you don't make them your supporter them toxic, nobody else can make them toxic. Because you're born toxic, baker girl. You're born toxic. But here what you do know. You try to be like you're smart. This minute you go so shoop up here so. Next way you come down back below the radar to make it look like all is well. But you see most time when you go up here so, you create mischief and then you go down below the radar and hide. And sometimes when you're below the radar, people still attack you, go so shoop and you divert. You take down your page them, you lock down your page them to make it look as if, okay, missing in action. We know you're too good, man. So if you're not toxic for your people, them, you don't know what are toxic for them.
Number of names. We could call a number of names. Yeah, Erica, thank you. We could call a number of names, you know. I've spoken positively about a lot of people on my lives over the years. And like I said, over the years, from me speaking positively about them, you guys ended up following these people because I spoke positively about them. You know what I mean? And I honestly, guys, I didn't know. I'm sorry that I exposed you to those people. I'm very sorry. You know, just accept my apologies. I am very sorry for exposing you to these people.
Very sorry to exposing you people to the lizard. The talk truth camp. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was going to be like this.
You know what I mean?
I'm very
I just
shocked.
figured at
I was just trying to give them some strength.
And you know, you could have give somebody strength in a certain ways, you know. Like you give them strength because we're all Jamaicans and everybody depend you and stuff like that, so you have to give them strength.
What the strength where did I give them? Come out, come bake cake. Me know I know that. Because you want to be the only baker in the world. Where the other strength we can't think of? Oh, the other strength when me could have really think of, because there can't be any other strength, because I know the cake. Because you don't want no other baker in the world. Oh, the strength where you did give them is because them have one rope I try cast 99 neck and can't cast it. So you did go over there now to give them some idea because in the video you said them dance. So it come like all you thought me shit too, you know. Me shit to say she educated, she call dance. You out of order, wait till me shit hear this issue not here already. So you go over there to give them a strength and tell them how to tie the rope for cast 99. But instead of the rope cast 99, you see what they do? They make one little cowboy swivel knot. Whoosh! And throw it out. Whoosh! And haul you in. And wheel you. And fling you away. Yes, man. Good for you, man. You hear your tone of voice? Like you're this nice.
You know what I mean? As being Jamaica, me meeting these different personality platform people, these platform voters, I never knew that they would all turn the way they did. You know, like vampires.
Surprising.
Okay, so you know what I mean, Michelle, I am so sorry, guys. Please.
So what are you sorry for? Sorry. You're right with this.
You know, me and a psychic. And it's like
your girl play a victim in every way.
You know what I mean? Whenever I label the body and say, okay, that person is bad, that person. No, I come out and show everybody love. Everybody I showed love to. You know, my professor's famous quote when
oh, she show love. She show everybody love. Tina, so may I ask you something? I saw people despise you, that you show everybody love, and everybody despise you. I saw you come out and show everybody love, and nobody loves you. I saw you come out and show everybody love, and everybody where you show love, and everybody where you get acquainted with, you and them in a fallout. This can't be real. And you had the problem. Remember now, you it's just one single person, against a lot of people, from different walks of life, different eras of this world, different eras of Jamaica, different people and different people with Jamaican descent. You come across. And you and them all have problem. So you want to say, you are the good one? Tina. If you tell a dead junker that him get up and fly. If you ever tell a falling junker that him get up and fly. Remember that. You is just one person against a numerous amount of people. And everybody just despise you, so. And what's about you? You don't have millions, you don't have billions. You don't live no comfortable life. Your life uncomfortable. Your life miserable. You sit down and lie down and worry about people's life too much. You put people's life and business by your brain. You have sleepless night, countless nights of sleep, you don't get it. You torment. You come and talk about the reason for your eyes swell up because when you're when you're doing anything and you're baking and you put your meditation in it causes your eye to swell up. I first me hear this. I hope me have to go check for that one dermatologist or me have to go to the ANT specialist to try and find out. It's either one dermatologist or an ANT specialist. I have to go check for that. That when you meditate too much, any work you do and you meditate too much in it affects your eye and make your eye swell up and hurt. I know your eye meditate, girl. When it come on to meditation, I know your eye. Because majority of people, when them say them a whole of meditation, them eye close. So that simply means that your brain you use meditate, not your eye. So no come tell nobody that I use that as an excuse when your eye them fat up when you get sleepless night over 99 and Chris and Nana Lynn and Miss Lawton and everybody we are prosper in a life business. Sleepless, countless night as you know get no rest. And at that cause your eye to swell up because your eyelid them tired. Yeah, come tell people about it's when when I'm baking and I'm doing my stuff, and you just put your mind and meditate into it. Like say I meditate. Yeah, I meditate, girl. With dunce out here, but you can't come fool with. At the sleepless amount of night where you get.
The grass cuts, or when the grass cuts low, the snakes will show. Well, you warn. Listen, Robert. Then no, a lot of we get warning, right? A lot of we get warnings, but I think some of us, in general, we not look for everybody that we there. You know what I mean? No man, we not look like certain way or something like that. We say, we could get everybody a strength, because the whole of we are Jamaican.
When she consider that?
May I tell you, Adian,
we all of them a speech a day, all along. You have to give everybody a strength because the whole of we are Jamaican. T-girl, I want them beat down Jamaican, T-girl, Baker girl, where you see the outer George's Lane and win and East Queen Street, I do our thing. I don't know what I mean because you hear me talk about it already. You understand? We live down our Rum Lane bottom, down a George's Lane bottom there, so yes, I must say Barry Street or our Tower Street or Barry Street. At the old lapidated building, she and her mother and stuff. T-girl, a Southside me used to live. Southside. You know Wheeler Bar? Wheeler Bar, they right around lane, so it was George's Lane. Yeah, down at George's Lane and Barry Street. Wheeler Bar, there around lane at East Queen Street. And my mother used to work at Central Police Station. So me know the whole out there, so. Bandbox, the whole over there, so. DD, the whole over there, so. The little Oro, so they right at Hanover Street corner, there, so right side of Brian's photo studio. Where the whole only used to hang out at night time, especially on a Friday night like this. So now come in a phone and go like a pretty. We know your deeds. You understand? Until you got Portland Road out of Dunkirk. Dunkirk, my father come from and my brother them. Me have uncle live on Portland Road. So we know your deeds.
Could not be real. Could not be real. You know what I mean, Robert? Like,
or I shouldn't say Dunkirk, Franklin Town. I should not say Dunkirk, but to a close community, approximately close community, Franklin Town I should say. When I talk about Dunkirk is kind of a different community, but a adjoining community, Franklin Town.
I said to myself, listen to me, Robert. Like, me just did I look on it. I pardon me, Robert. Me did I look on it like the whole away as Jamaicans, right? And you have to stretch out a hand for help a Jamaican. If you there saw you see somebody want a little strength with them page, you stretch out your hand and give them a little help with them page.
When
you
you're kind,
so
so.
the people them I go.
When you're kind,
All
so.
of them do it. All of them.
You always
All
want
of
it for
them.
yourself, so when you're kind, so.
They all do it. But what I've realized about all of them is that all of them don't. You understand? And I have come to the conclusion that you cannot help dunce people. Right?
Let's see if I can read the comment when it pop up, because some of you saw the person comment.
You've seen it over the years. None of them never liked me from the jump all these years. They never liked me. They just figured out a way and a plan to kind of build up themselves, and by doing so, them have to pretend that them like me. None of them liked me from the beginning. Yeah, they have always hated me all these years. You know, they've hated me all these years. I know all of them. All of them hate me. All of them. Every year is the same thing they come with, same thing. Every year when this peak season come around, they all come around with the same behavior, same. Every year the same thing them come with. I hear them do it now, them flip it to make it look like a me.
You are the biggest flipper, and you are flipper mafia and a family. Baker girl, you is the biggest flipper in a social media and play a victim, and you are flipper mafia and a family. You're going like you're a dolphin, you just a flip. You're a dolphin? Where?
Wanna pay attention, guys. They flip it to make it look like I am doing it to them. They put this narrative out there, and all of them do it. All of them. Oh, it's Tina. And I'm like, okay, so how me do it? You know what kills me? I always paint everybody in a positive light. Me I say, no, man. I don't want to toot my horn on. But all of them people that will approach me, I always I show them the positive way. If me not motivate them,
big
me
old
talk good about them.
like she wants sympathy. Uno listener her now. Uno listener and listen to the tone of voice. Like she wants sympathy.
Potential. Uno can do this, uno can
if
do
a
that.
99 you run out hard in some coarse voice, and then you go back in the intelligent voice where you claim to say you have, and the speak is spooky, walky, speak is spooky. If I the 99. So oh, you just come down so soft like butter against sun. You can in the whole video where you are chatting and show your shares, we all know. People who know all are gonna know when to listen to this. It not I don't know they are shield up. And all know she not call her name, you know. The lizard have something about you. You're afraid of a lizard?
Just from being somebody. Them just jealous of me, alien. Alright, just from being somebody where you say I like me now. What me even? Here what people. I'm gonna take this over.
Well, know what people are jealous of you for. You don't have nothing at all for people jealous of you. No, sucker. If you say you know, yeah, state that you're in this business for 4 years. So basically you show what the woman she must just start bake. But what you have achieved from baking for 4 years, in and out of your kitchen / washroom / living room / near the toilet, for rent a little space when you know you have a little extra cupcakes to make, or you want to prove to the world that okay, I'm in a baking space where you have to rent and pay $50 for the couple hours where you go there. And when you can't pay it, you have to go back to your kitchen where you have your washer and your dryer for clothes. You're not afraid to make mistake one idea and put one of the kitchen towel in there. One of your jars, take out one of your jars, your kitchen towel. Eh? People, we are come to the end of this video. So just listen to this little last piece.
You understand? Me don't want, you get me?
What is your owner load? You don't want kind of body load. What is your owner load?
Yeah. So Robert, see your answer there. Jenny answer for me. Because I don't know how else to explain it. You understand? So Jenny answer there for me. I understand that you were trying to remain unbiased. Sometimes We have to see with our own eyes. Their experience with that person might be different than yours, so you wasn't trying to drink bush for other people's fever. Exactly.
You never try to see unbiased. You're always biased. You're always biased, especially when it comes on to certain people. If it's people that you're associating with, you will lean on their side. But once as somebody where your spirit not take or you not like or you just want to tear down, you're always unbiased. You ever come out and say 99 the good yet? Never. Not one only we are tear down the woman. We tear her down 1,000,000 times. And not even the one time we should do good, you can come out and say, yes, despite me tear her down 1,000,000 times, I like that we should do. You never do it yet. So, you not bias. You not bias.
You know what I mean? Look at how the chef that used to be over here and how he switched up. For months, people pointed out.
The same chef caused a controversy one at a time when Dana must have post him. She come out and said, Dana, she said she and the chef are friend and whatsoever. And the chef there on your page, a freelance. That mean you and him a friend? He might make a comment or you respond to him comment. That mean you and him a friend? You repost him. Somebody else see him work and repost it. How much things you repost where other people repost? Eh? So you take up the people them business there, the court where them win. So you want proof, so you can come sue black and you take it up. But you ever get sued, you should have never put up something like that. Because all of that I go for you. You should have used that and sit down and fret pan your toilet now and the and I let go some water or something. You know? Yes.
To you. Jenny. Same thing I said about the chef boy.
The chef boy.
People pointed out to you.
You know, she has style, you know, chef boy. Back then, you know, she have high regards for him, you know. And him product and him quality work that him has done, you know, but no, him a chef boy. You understand?
You didn't want to believe.
When people see them ways and walk away from them,
and I
so
didn't
them
see
deal
that
with them.
side to him for myself. For real, Jenny. When chef used to come over here, I never see that side to him. Him respect me respect him. We didn't have a mutual respect. But when him start move different now, I say, what the back said? I don't do that money or nothing. And when come over here and tell me say I move different. So I try keep it. But you know, being a professional, and I'm assuming he was a professional, I didn't expect, you know, I looked at him as a professional person. So anything else that anybody was telling me, I didn't want to believe it. Because I didn't see that side to him.
So you see me, I tell you, she did have high regard to this gentleman. She have mutual respect for him have mutual respect for her. Up to this minute, I can guarantee you that the man not disrespect her none at all. Probably the man just walk away because of one reason or the other, or the man just see her ways and decide to part ways. And him not disrespect her, but she come and disrespect the man, the boy. So, when people are mesh with you and them walk away in peace, that's how you intend to do, disrespect them? Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. I come to the end of this video. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please remember to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. And please remember the Young Entrepreneur College student. Our link of our YouTube channel is in my description. I am asking you please to continue to give her that support. And go and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. And the Cash App is also pinned in the comment section. You ask for it, you get it. You know what the meaning of the Cash App. Okay? I'm not running a charity, I speak again. You give me, I give someone who is in need. And probably take a fraction of it to advance my backup channel adventure. Part of the channel, because adventure do take money for those sightseeing down at the country and stuff and all those stuff. Okay? So, just do the do. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.